Is your PDF's color looking a bit off? Let's bring it back to life with Photoshop. First, we need to get our PDF into Photoshop. Go to File, Open, and select your PDF document Photoshop. We'll ask you which page you want to open. Choose the page you want to edit and click OK. Once the PDF page opens as a rasterized image, you'll see its current colors now. Let's assess what needs fixing. Is it too dark, too washed out, or are the colors just not accurate? To start correcting, navigate to the Image menu, then Adjustments. Here you'll find a variety of tools for a quick fix. Try Auto Tone or Auto Color. These can often resolve common color imbalances with a single click. If the automatic adjustments aren't quite enough, or you want more control, we can use manual adjustments again. Go to Image Adjustments. Brightness Contrast is great for overall darkening or lightening if colors appear faded. Vibrance or Saturation will help boost them. For more precise control over specific color tones, like making reds richer or blues deeper, explore Hue Saturation. You can select individual color channels and fine-tune their appearance. If your PDF was originally created in a specific color mode, like CMYK for printing, and you're working in RGB or vice versa, you might need to convert color spaces. Go to Image Mode and select the desired color profile for your project. Finally, once you're happy with the color adjustments, save your work. Go to File, Save as. You can save it as a Photoshop PSD file to retain your layers and adjustments for future edits, or export it as a flattened image like a JPEG or PNG if needed. And there you have it. Your PDF colors are now as vibrant and accurate as you intended, all thanks to Photoshop.